Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can update your Epic Games launcher so your processes on the Epic Games launcher work properly and fast. Now whenever you've got an Epic Games launcher update, Epic Games will update it automatically. What basically means is that once you open your Epic Games launcher, you'll see a screen like this, Epic Games launcher update available. Now once you see this, that'll mean that it needs an update. Now once you do that, you will press on update right here, and once you press on it, update will start happening automatically, and after the update has completed, your Epic Games launcher will work fastly. So basically whenever you open Epic Games launcher, first of all it basically scans and it checks if everything is alright with the application, and if there is an update, once you open Epic Games launcher or once Epic Games launcher launches itself, you will see a screen similar to this, or it will tell you that Epic Games launcher is about to update. So you will just do this, you will just press on update, and after that you will wait, and then Epic Games launcher would be updated. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.